Hi everyone, it's Victoria James. We are going to dive into Love and Color Beauty. They have sent over quite a few goodies for me to try, and I want to thank them for collaborating with me on this video. I'm going to be talking to both platforms that I use, which are Instagram and YouTube. So I'll be going back and forth with who I'm looking at, and I hope that's okay. Love & Co, or Love & Color, has sent over quite a few of their goodies to try. So you're going to see a lot of their products in action. Starting with brow products. Now, I have recently collaborated with them on their brow pomade and their lipsticks. So you have seen me use their brow products. I have their tools, Love & Co angled brush and their spoolie. And you can get these as a set on their website. So, my brows can absolutely use a little zhuzhing. So I'm going to start there. In this little kit right here, you get all three of the tweezers that you would ever use to pick your brows. I have an angled, flat angled one. I have a fully flat one, and then I have a pointed one that has a little protector on it. Bring that in so you can see. And I think I need to target a few hairs, as well as probably use one of these two to pick some things out, but I'm going to use this pointed one. And these are like very heavy. From the root, friends. I think it's so fine you can barely see it, but man, there's like a little bulb on the end. I think I need the flat ones. So it does say Love & Co on each one. I love how these feel so substantial. Like you can really trust what you're doing with these. I usually don't need a lot of help with my eyebrows, but that little bit of tweaking and zhuzhing, like right there. There's an extra pocket here. I guess you could put like a pair of brow scissors. Okay, I'm seeing some more that I could get off of there. I'm gonna go ahead and use the angled tweezers just because I haven't used them yet. Right up there. Yeah, that looks way better, honey. Love it. I'm gonna stick my brow scissors in here. Look at that. Look. In there, like swimwear. There is a puppy on my bed. There's a nosy little, baldy little monkey on my Beddington. Turn around and say hi to your aunties. Say hi. Y'all, run for my money. Run for my money, all right? Always jumping on the bed. Stop it. Stop it, Puddin'. Stop it. Stop jumping on the bed. Let's get into the color products that we have. And most importantly, the foundation. Y'all know I love a complexion product. This is Love & Co's Melanin Match Liquid Foundation. A match that they actually did not ask me about. They looked at my skin on my pictures on Instagram and chose it for me. So we are going to see together how this fares on me. It looks pretty good. Like, I ain't even going front with you. I think they did a good job matching me. Very hydrating, very pretty. I'm putting this on with no primer, just as is. This is not a foundation brush. I like the way it feels on my face. Let's try it with the sponge they provided. I'm gonna try that on the other side of my face. You better get your butt. Y'all, you are so naughty. Don't you lick. Lord. I could use the booty, but I'm gonna use the side because I wanna play with the corners, like this little point here, and then I'm gonna use the booty. Shout out to whoever chose my match. Shout out, because this is a good match. with just looking at my pictures, you know what I mean? Ooh, ooh. This is beautiful. I blended in better, but this is beautiful. Let's get into it. I really hope this looks better than what I'm looking at by the time I go to edit, because if it doesn't, then the only people getting this content are going to be Instagram and TikTok. I'm a my skin but better girly when it comes to the foundation. I'll give you medium when I'm trying to go glam, but the older I get, the less foundation I find myself using. And speaking of less foundation, you know, sponges tend to soak up some of the product that as you're applying it. So I'm going to use a little more and build up on this side, since I used the Kabuki brush over here, and that definitely diffused the coverage. What I'm most curious about is the powder, the loose powder. So let's have a look at that. We have matte setting powder number M50. Here's what it looks like, and I thought it was going to be a little too deep, but when I went to test it out, I wasn't mad at it. So let's have a look at it with the powder brush. I'm going to spread it out in the cap like that, so I get a nice even disbursement, and then let's have a look at what it's giving. Yeah, I think that is lovely. It's actually a really great choice again. Yeah, so there's half my face with the setting powder, and then the other half without it. Obviously dewier. But the matte setting powder is not wiping out all the life in my face. This is the cream highlight in rose gold, and this is so beautiful. Wait till you see this on. I'm gonna use my number 57 because it's a great all-purpose brush to apply this. Ooh, here we go. I probably overdid it, but here we go. You can use your fingers as well. I'm just a brush girly. Let's do a finger application just to show you how intense it can be. I like to take it into the brow. There we, oop. Hey, baby, get down. Remember the snooka bucka bucka? Bella, say hi. Hi. Love you. I love you, but don't lick my stop. There you go. No, your mamas. Oh, my sweet baby. Oh, my sweet baby. You the best. I love you. That's cute, honey. That's cute. I love that this color, it just kind of has an undertone, but it's not like pink. This rose gold is like pink, but it's not overly done. I love it. I'm just gonna take that, my eyebrow, just above my eyebrow like that. I like squealed when I saw this in the box. Look, that's so pretty. Love that color. We have two pigments, which I'm very excited to use. This shade here is Amoure, and then this one here is Kissy Face. My basic ass is gonna use this one. It has like this green to it, and I love green against my eyes. I think it looks really great with brown eyes. Oh, that's my kind of color. That's my kind of color. That is interesting. I thought that it would be a little more iridescent, but it does have like this shimmery element to it. I'm just gonna spread it out a little more so you can see the color. Love it. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know which color. Okay, I do know. I'm gonna use Amoure, but I wanted to show you both because I think both are really beautiful. Took a quick break to go ahead and finish my face with the things that were not from Love & Co, like my eyebrows and my lash, my mascara. But would you look, my liner as well. So we put a little purple. We put a little purple right in the corner. I'm going to now choose something for my cheeks because I have some lipsticks. I do not have blush from Love & Co just yet. This pretty color, which I think I'm going to end up choosing, this is Captivated. Captivated, I think, would make a nice little blush. It's a nice warm shade. And then the other one is way too light to be a blush, so we're not gonna bother with that. But that is Infatuated. Oh, I almost forgot. I have this red. I'm just really scared. It's a gloss, so I'm gonna use it on my lip. So yeah, Captivated as a blush is lovely. Pairs well with that rose gold. And then last but not least, this beautiful, bold, okay? It's called Divine, and they're calling this a lip gloss, but this is very opaque. Let's have a look. Yeah, honey. I would call this a liquid lip, because this is, okay, it does sheer out. I stand corrected. Line my lip with a dark brown liner. All right, all right, all right. Love & Co face. Feeling it, loving it, and I hope you are too. I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick demo of this incredible new brand on the block. And I hope that you will check them out. I have them linked for you in my description box so that you can get your hands on some Love & Co. and love in color. So thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Mwah. Kisses and love.